Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall, Razer Synapse. It's very, very easy and simple. So I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Okay. So this process is going to help you remove, Razer Synapse 3 and its related applications and all the modules from your PC. So if you want to properly uninstall this is what you do. Okay. First things first, search for apps and features, okay, in the Windows search box, and then just click on it. Okay, search here, apps and features at the bottom here, and then click on apps and features and open it. Okay, then what you want to do, guys, is you want to come here, okay, under apps and features. Under here, what you want to do is search. So you want to click on search, sort, and filter by drive, and then you want to just type in Razer. Okay, then a list of Razer programs are actually going to appear, here. So it will appear here, and you can this can actually vary by C. So you want to do is you want to click on Razer Synapse, and then just select here uninstall. And then what you want to do, guys, is just select uninstall again. And if Windows actually prompts you, if it gives you, those Windows user account control prompts, just click on yes to confirm the uninstall, and then just click on uninstall. Then what you want to do, guys, okay, come here, click on uninstall, and then under the select software to uninstall, what you want to do, guys, is you want to select all of these, and then just select Razer Synapse, and then just click on uninstall. And if they ask you this prompt, just click on yes, remove, and then just come here and click on close. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below if you're able to do this. If you haven't, you can comment down below and I'll help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.